there was a guy from India who could also publish in these journals, being in India, and it all gives a great sense of pride. I also got just the invitation letter from this journal called the SYNLET, which has an impact factor of 5, to just write a review there, and I feel good that my photograph is there in Literature of Science with my biodata. They said that your photograph with your biodata will be there. Now this just the enterprise of the science is a great enterprise. There are lakhs and lakhs of the scientists on this planet who are involved in this enterprise. It's a part of the human civilization. If you want to see the literature of last 250 years, you can go and see the literature. It's all documented. Now my photograph with my biodata, with my details, will now remain this forever and ever till the human civilization exists. All these income tax people may forget you. Okay? If you are not earning, they are not interested in you. And if you are dead, you are out of the record. But in these journals, you will stay forever and ever. Maybe till the human civilization exists, people can see my biodata after 1000 years also. Don't you feel good about it? कि आपका नाम जो है 1000 साल बाद भी जिंदा रहे? Huh? We all want कि मृत्यो मा अमृतम गमया, नहीं? Then patents and money. In fact, I am talking about three just products. One was the clopidogrel, for which we got patent in 2002, and last 5 years we were making just money in the range of 250 to just 100 crores per year. So that's how I say that we have made just the impact of, and I'm talking of the profit. Okay, see, it just so happens that if you because this is a Gujarat based, I think, the audience, so it is better to talk about money, right? So let me tell you that if you are a copier, if you copy a thing from the West, you make a profit of in the range of 20 to 50%. Okay? बेस से 50% का प्रॉफिट होता है इफ यू कॉपी. तो कॉपी करना भी कोई इतना खराब नहीं है, 20 से 50% बहुत होता है ना. वो क्योंकि बैंक में फिक्स डिपॉजिट तो खाली आपको ज्यादा 10% मिलेगा. So our most of the entrepreneurs and the industrialists in the pharma industry, they are in that business. They are making profit in the range of the 20 to 50% by being a copier. Okay? Now, if you have these patents for a well-known drug in the Western world, but you have a new route of synthesis, then you make मतलब 1 का 5, ये मतलब कितना परसेंट हो गया? Your cost is 1 rupee and you are selling in 5 rupees. तो कितना परसेंट हो गया? मतलब एटलीस्ट 400%. और 500 हो गया. 1 रुपए पर 4 रुपए का फायदा. क्यों, कितना परसेंट हुआ? 400 कि 500? So this is what we did, and Pankaj Bhai was beneficiary of that, and we were making money. And plus, if you have a patent, you have a fixed business. Nobody can do the same thing in next 20 years. If you are a copier, then your neighbor can also start an industry and he can also copy, because you are a copier, and he is also a copier, you cannot stop him copying. आप भी चोर हो, बगल वाला भी चोर है, तो आप क्या करोगे? तो ये इंडिया में हो रहा है, but still we are growing. But then